Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a bit of a cold and I apologize for the stuffy ickiness, but I'm gonna be doing a video here, just some small items that I know I can do. I'm gonna be doing the set of 3 candlesticks I showed in a recent thrift haul. Actually, this is what we found on the way to my surgery, along with this one. This is the only one that is not gonna be using the same color. I'm gonna be using vintage duck egg from Dixie Belle and fluff from Dixie Belle. Fluff will be the candlesticks and this jewelry box that's right here. And this will be vintage duck egg. And I'll probably do this on fast forward since, well, I'm kind of congested and don't have much of a voice. So I'll probably just go ahead and do it on fast speed and enjoy. I'll show the final when we're all done.